Hi guys, hope you're well. A very special video for you here, a quick fire one. I'm going to give you 5 tips in around about 5 minutes that will help you make money with Clickbank. This is perfect if you've struggled with Clickbank, if you've struggled with selling offers as an affiliate, if you sort of wonder what it's all about, how you make sales, maybe you've tried it and maybe it's just not worked. I'm going to give you the 5 areas that will really improve your results or start you from scratch on the right track so you're actually making sales. And they're like the 5 most important parts. And also I'm going to show you how to do it if you want to, so do check out the link in the description. You will see this page, Project Emergency Cash. It's a course I've set up specifically to go more in depth on these 5 areas and actually give you step-by-step instructions for each one, showing you how to build a funnel for Clickbank products and how to build an affiliate income. So if you're interested in that, I show you everything from building a simple sales funnel that you can do even if you've got no experience. You'll be able to follow through and get this done really quickly, and it's something that you can use to sell anything online. I mean, we're talking about Clickbank, but Clickbank is just a affiliate marketplace, so it's just got offers. Okay, so you can use this funnel to sell anything. I'm going to show you how to set it all up. I'm going to show you what you must do to make sure that it converts. I'm going to show you how to get traffic, and I'm going to show you how to go further once you've done all that and you start getting traffic and start getting sales, and use Facebook ads to increase your results or make it automatic so you can get set up on Facebook ads once you've done those steps. And once you're making sales anyway, and reinvest some of the money you're making and use some of it for your ad budget and get set up on Facebook, and then you can run it all on autopilot and scale it up. So if you're interested in doing this and doing it in a way that doesn't confuse you, I'm going to make a bold claim here. I think that you can go through this even as a beginner and it won't confuse you, and you'll be able to get the knowledge that you need and the how-to that will save you years of struggle. I developed this course after working online for 15 years and being a top premier with Clickbank, top premier member. Here's my certificate. Obviously it's a hard copy. I got one in 2013, 2014, 2012, 2011 and 2015 as well. Over 50 Clickbank products built up, loads of affiliate offers which I'm going to explain to you now. So if you want to learn it, if you want to take my knowledge and save yourself loads of stress of running around and going, oh, I want to find something that works and this isn't working and this isn't working, come and join us. I'd love to have you. Just a key thing, there's only 1 day and 4 hours, then I'm putting the price up. That's not a scarcity, well I suppose it is, but it's a genuine scarcity. I am putting the price up because I'm going to actually promote this in exactly the same way I'm telling you. I'm going to promote this on Facebook ads, and it will be $99 when I promote it. You can get in at a discounted price right now, so do check it out. Check out the video here. I set up a video to run you through, but there's not a lot of time, so do check it out in the description below. Subscribe for loads more video like this. I won't just leave you in the dark. I'll give you as much value as I can for free, of course, starting right now. So do check that out. And here we go. So the first tip that I have for you if you're wanting to make money with Clickbank is this, probably the biggest one. The sales are not normally made on the first visit. In fact, through Facebook ad testing, you'll quite commonly find that if you're just sending people direct to a sales page through your own products or Clickbank or as an affiliate offer, it doesn't matter the niche, you'll probably get a 1% conversion rate of cold traffic, of people that don't know you, and you're targeting correctly and doing all the stuff. You probably get a 1% conversion rate no matter how good the sales page is on average. Okay, you can get more, you can get less and lose money, and you'll probably lose money if you're getting a 1% conversion rate. That means that 100 people have to see that page before one buys. Okay, so that's probably the biggest mistake that people make with Clickbank. They do this. Okay, let's do it together. They go like this: health and fitness, sort results by gravity, and they just jump right in and get the top gravity product. Okay, I've done other videos explaining gravity, just to say here, because it's quick tips, Gravity does not equate to the conversions of the sales page. It equates to how popular it is with affiliates, but you don't know what the affiliates are spending on ads. You don't know how many visits it took to make that page convert. So it isn't an indicator of the sales copy. It is an indicator that the product's popular with affiliates, and it is an indicator that the sales page isn't crap, because otherwise it wouldn't convert at all. But it's not an indicator of how well it will convert for you. Okay, so my first tip is the best thing that you can do as a Clickbank affiliate is not try to make a sale on the first visit. Okay, so you can do that through email, like an email opt-in, and set that up. I'll talk about that in just a second. You can do that through a webinar, or even through a video class, a recorded class. But my point is this: you want to have people, because it's real people, even people looking for flat belly fix, okay, or to lose weight. You need to know who you're looking for. You need to actually help them. Okay, so that's my second tip. So the sales aren't made on the first visit. So what do? We actually help them. The amount of stuff out there now, email opt-ins and so on, and download the free report. The key thing that will set you aside and actually get you making a lot of money while you're helping people is to help them. Okay, not just go, here's a free report, and then they download the report with some PLR content or some content sourced from the web, and you're not really caring, you just want to make a sale, and then, did you read your free report? I hope you enjoyed it. Buy this product. Okay, I know I'm exaggerating it a little bit, but that's the normal run of the mill. And then if you don't buy the product, you get hammered with emails until you do. The biggest tip I can give you is genuinely know who you're after, okay, who you're targeting, and genuinely help them. So if you start actually helping them for free, you don't have to give everything away. But if you help them for free, then they will know you. They will more than likely like you, and they trust you because you're helping them. And then if the product you're promoting gives them the solution, and you've given them lots of tips and lots of, like, it has to be good information. Okay, so you do need to research. So number one is the sales aren't made on the first visit normally, so you'll lose money and waste your time if you're just uploading YouTube videos or just using software to blast your affiliate links around the web. You're just not going to make a business like that, and you're not going to make any sales. But you can make a lot of sales if you focus on the help first. That doesn't need to be a 10-day email course. It could be a simple report that actually helps. It could be a simple video, a recorded video that actually helps. The point is you need to know where they need help, and you need to start helping before you ask for money. Number three, okay, the product must convert. Very, very simple one. But a lot of people that go into Clickbank, you know, everyone when they start with Clickbank, chances are that they're not copywriters or they don't know sales copy. Okay, so you need to know the conversions of the page. You need to know that the actual sales page is going to convert. I'll do another video on this because sales copy is a big subject, but there's a couple of ways that you can see that. Have they got split testing on it? Is there a video version? Is there a text version? How does it sound to you when you read it? Is it a well laid out sales video or sales page? And you need to actually have the product that will convert. Okay, so that there's three of them. Number one, your sales aren't normally made on the first visit. Only 1% of people will convert first visit from cold traffic on average. Number two, you focus on the help first, actually helping them. Number three, the sales page must convert, and you need to know how to look for that. Number four, very, very important, targeted traffic. Targeted traffic. You'll see a lot of stuff, especially if you're starting out. You'll see a lot of software products sold, a lot of systems, a lot of, get thousands of visitors to your web page or your offer. It doesn't mean anything. It does not mean anything if you get 5,000 people from around the web to view your offer, and your offer is how to get a perfect bikini body for women, and you send 5,000 random people through that aren't looking for a bikini body. Your stats will look good, okay? It will look, oh my God, look how much traffic I've got. But it won't convert. You're better off, here's a tip for you, you're better off targeting as deep down as you can, even if you're getting 10 visits a day and it's very, very laser targeted, but they're absolutely wanting a solution right now. I'd prefer 10 people a day that are laser targeted than 10,000 that aren't. Okay? So you need to know how to get targeted traffic. Very, very important. That's a huge subject, traffic. I actually show you exactly how to do it in Project Emergency Cash through the link below. And I actually show you how to do it so you're going to get targeted traffic from the offset. That means that the people opting in or viewing your free stuff or viewing the offer are laser targeted. Okay? Number 5. This is a bit more advanced, but I thought I'd put it in here. Once you're making sales, because you've done those 4 things. Number 1, you understand that sales aren't made on the first visit. Number 2, you're actually helping. Okay, so you're not just selling, you're helping. Number 3, you know how to see the sales page will convert, and that's proven because you're getting sales in. Number 4, you know how to send targeted traffic. Number 5 is you need to know how to scale that hands-free. Okay, so if you want a business, you need to know how to do it, ideally, so you're not having to manually sell all the time and go and generate traffic. And that is the beauty of Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. You need to know how to set all that up. And here's the key. You don't want to just go straight into Facebook ads and start lumping cash on it unless you're testing and have a big budget and it's your own product, because then you can split test and so on. With affiliate offers, you can't really change the sales page that well because it's someone else's product. You don't want to go start lumping in paid traffic until you know it converts. Picture this scenario. If you did those top 4 things and you've got a funnel set up and you're actually helping and you're actually got targeted traffic, okay, so you know who you're targeting, and you start getting sales in, you take some of that budget from that money that you're making and then put some of it into Facebook ads, 10-20%, okay, and build it up slowly, and you will have an autopilot sales machine because you already know it converts, the funnel's working, and you're off to the races, and then you can do it time and time again. So there's my 5 biggest areas, my biggest tips with Clickbank that will help you. They're the 5 things that you want to focus on. If you watch this video and you're like, oh my god, I get what you're saying, but how do I do these things? Come and join us in Project Emergency Cash. I take you through all of those 5. Number 1, how to build a funnel. So sales aren't made on the first visit, but what does that mean? How do you set it up? I show you exactly how to do it. Number 2 is you've got to actually help. I show you how to offer the help and how it varies per market and how to work out what your market and what your offer is actually looking for. Number 3, I show you how to make sure the sales page will convert and how to get a good product that will actually convert. Number 4, targeted traffic, favorite of mine. I show you exactly how to get it. I actually give you a schedule to do it, how to lay out the work, and how to do it without pulling your hair out. And number 5, I show you how to scale it with Facebook ads. So if you're interested in taking that further, I hope you've enjoyed this overview or the 5 areas. I'm not going to leave you in the dark either. I'll do some more videos on those points. But if you want a full step-by-step, go through it together. It's got a full guarantee on it as well. Come and join us. I think you'll really, really enjoy it. There's not long on the clock, 1 day and 3 hours, then the price goes up. You can still get it, but you might as well get in at the discount. So check that out below. I hope you enjoyed these tips. I hope it helps you. They're the 5 biggest areas or mistakes that I see people making, and it will save you chasing your tail and just trying to do, picked a product, high gravity, and then I'll just blast it all around the web and hope for the best. If you want to make money, people buy solutions. You have to offer the solution, and before they buy from you, you have to actually prove that you can help. And how do you prove that you can help? By giving them something that they can use straight away that will actually help them. Okay, so I'd love to go through it with you. Do check it out. I think you really enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. I'll be doing some more. Make sure you get the notifications, and I'll take each of those 5 and go more in depth in subsequent videos, in the next videos. But join us in Project Emergency Cash. Cheers guys. Thanks ever so much for watching.